Guys, what is going on? It is Wednesday, August 4th, 2021. It is early evening here, and I just wanted to pop on real quick, let you know that I didn't disappear. I actually found out recently, got news that a good friend of mine for about 25 years passed away, and I just need a little bit of time away from the market, away from YouTube, because you realize how short and precious life really is sometimes, and sometimes you just need to clear your head and remember that, I guess. But I wanted to make sure that I got a video out real quickly and just let you know that I'm going to try to return back to a normal routine starting tomorrow. There's a lot of things I want to talk about, but something that really I caught wind of in the last couple of hours, and what I heard really bothered me. Let me just say this. First of all, if we look at the numbers today for buy versus sell orders, in the top 10, there is number 1, Robinhood, number 3, AMC, and number 9, GME. Now, GME's numbers, buy to sell, were 7 to 1.5. AMC was 17,000 to 6,000, and Robinhood was 32,000 to 26,000. Robinhood went up 50% today. AMC went down 11%, and GME followed, going down by 4%. Can someone explain to me how that's possible? If the market is based off supply and demand, how do any of these numbers make sense? Well, they don't, right? They don't make any sense at all. Coincidentally or not, I also saw an article talking about that Gary Gensler went on Squawk Box today on CNBC and apparently talked about looking closely into the dark pools and why Reddit traders are rallying is the heading to this article. So I just want to read a little bit of the article to you. It says, on CNBC's Squawk Box, Gensler said, in the rise in retail trading and engagement is positive, but that it prompted the SEC to take a real close look at market structure in order to promote transparency. Gensler, who joined Twitter last week, also responded to his followers, who, like many traders on Reddit, have expressed particular concern over dark pools, which are private exchanges institutional investors use to execute trades anonymously. Gensler pointed out dark pools have been increasingly common during the recent rise in retail investing and doubled down the SEC's role in guarding against fraud and manipulation, and whether that's from big actors and big hedge funds in the market or not. Shares of Reddit favorites AMC and GameStop reversed from pre-market losses of nearly 5% immediately after Gensler's comments, trading up 3 and 1% respectively before paring back gains. Yeah, we got a major problem going on right now in the market. This is completely out of control. And the SEC looking into it is not enough at this point. And listen, as much as I'd like to stick it to Adam Aaron right now, his comments on Twitter, that's just the way this goes. He's the CEO of a billion-dollar company, and it's impossible for him to go on and say any more than he's already said. We don't want him to be the next Elon Musk and, involved with a $50 million lawsuit. So he can't come out and say any more than he already has, pretty much. I'm not going to fault him for that. And I also saw that there was a video from Treys that said LOL Robinhood, and I'm like, what the hell is this? So I go on, I hit play.
Hi Trey, my name is Anirudh Kamath and I'm reaching out on behalf of Robinhood. We've been loving your educational content on finance and investing. I think you're doing a great job of demystifying concepts in a way that really resonates with our mission to democratize finance for all. We're building out a creator affiliate program with a select few influencers and content creators, and we think you'd be a perfect fit. It's an opportunity to earn a competitive fee for each referral and get to know Robinhood a little bit better. If you're interested in checking it out, feel free to visit our landing page to learn more and apply. I'd love to share more with you and get connected. Looking forward to your response. Best, Ani. And at the bottom, they've got this beautiful little disclaimer. Don't copy, share, or use this email without permission. If you received it by accident, please let us know and then delete it right away. Well, two things here. First off, I never responded to this email. And second off, too bad for you that email disclaimers are not legally enforceable. I don't know what to tell you guys. You done goofed. You watch one of my videos and you know kind of how I feel about the stock, but
I mean, are these people sick in the head? Seriously. They have to be completely demented. Why would they send that? I mean, some of the stuff that's going on right now is blowing my mind. And let me just say this. I don't approve of a lot of things that China does and the way that we placate and pander to them. I think it's disgusting. I think they're a terrible regime. And Winnie the Pooh needs to be ousted. But I will give them credit for one thing. They shut Citadel down and suspended their trading. It says here, Chicago-based hedge fund Citadel had one of its trading accounts suspended in Shanghai as the Chinese government cracks down on so-called abnormal transactions in its crashing stock markets. The Shanghai Stock Exchange released a statement saying Goosen's account was suspended. Goosen is Citadel's Shanghai department or Shanghai affiliate. Account was suspended along with 3 others to maintain order in the market and protect investors' interests. China's stock indices took a nosedive on June 12th, and since then, Chinese regulators have been taking extraordinary measures to stop the bleeding. They have thrown money at the problem, suspended initial public offerings and new share issues, and promised to go after malicious market participants. On Friday, the Chinese government announced it would go after any market participants suspected of spoofing. And, you know, in this one case, I will give them credit because this is the type of language Gensler should be using and actually enforcing. He should just threaten them with suspension. You know, maybe this is how the share count will come into play if we find out there's, you know, 1 billion shares out there that AMC and retail owns. That's why I think that that this time around, getting this accurate share count is important. I'm just not quite sure what the logistics are of registering your shares with the Say Technologies. I know you have to go through like some Apex program or something. I'm trying to look into this, and I will do that before tomorrow's video. But yeah, I'm just absolutely disgusted with everything that's going on. These numbers are turning my stomach right now, and I don't want to lose it on YouTube and get a strike. So I'm going to leave it at that. I will be back tomorrow, guys. Again, I apologize that I haven't been uploading, but I'm going to try getting back on track tomorrow. This is Ape Nation. I'm the Massalorian, and I'm out.